Hello, my friends. We're back from the claw machine, and I'm here doing a cook with April. Justin's about that life. He likes the thing I made. You like it? Mm-hmm. It's the sauce, huh? You're obsessed with the sauce.
How did I get so lucky marrying you?
Big activity.
I'm like in my office doing work. She comes in. Would you like to taste the delicious thing?
I hope you like it.
What a life.
Hi, friends. How are you? I just finished my workout, and I got to work out with my favorite gym buddy, and his name is Jim. They try to mix us up, but like we get used to each other, and we like, want to hang out. And I'm having some lunch before I get ready. I know. I have my lunch early, but that's how I like to do it. And I made myself some egg whites here. But I made this pesto pasta, I don't know when, girl, I forgot, on the weekend. I add sauce. This is like a jalapeno, it's just pretty much jalapeno, cilantro, mayonnaise, garlic, and chicken bouillon. I made that up. Like, I just randomly thought of it. I was like, sounds good to me. So that's what I did. But yeah, just my pesto pasta with egg whites and sauce. Because we love a good... Oh, but girl, don't get it twisted. I'm going to have to add a little sriracha drizzle on top too. And that is a delightfully delicious lunch. And it's Wednesday and we still have some leftovers. But I think tomorrow I'm going to have to make something else. Hello, my friends. How are you? I'm on my way to get my teeth cleaned. I just have my lip balm on my lips, a whole lot of it. So that, when you have your mouth super wide open, like, girl, I brushed my teeth for like 10 flipping minutes. Literally 10 minutes. And now now I'm chewing on gum so my breath can smell mint or fresh. I am back from a dental cleaning. Come here, Bubba. And as I was driving in, Justin was driving out to pick up Liam. But I was like, oh, Jacob can just stay home since I'm home now. And he also picked up Jacob for us because of my dental cleaning. It was the only time they had. And so that's what I had to take. Hair is up. No accessories on. No jewelry. The ring, though, my wedding ring, I'm not taking that off until the second they tell us we need to take it off. I'm sorry. I just have to. Yeah. Anyways, I wanted to share something. I've been trying to buy like unique little pieces of stuff for the house, and to me the most unique is like things that are made, right? Like the Sampaguita art I bought. It wasn't made, it's a copy, but it's still different than like getting art from Home Goods. I'm not knocking Home Goods because I love Home Goods, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean? So I bought this Jasmine Renee art on Etsy too. I bought a bunch of stuff on Etsy just waiting for my custom fork and knife, the wooden one, because it's giving very much Filipino household. So I wanted pretty coasters, and I have been eyeing these for a year. Yeah, a year. I'm like, I don't need that. You know how like you always think, I don't need it. It's a coaster. I don't need it. But I just kept looking and looking and looking, and I was like, I really do though. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my, sorry, my mouth and my face is like, girl, she's lovely. Oh, this is way more gorgeous than my flimsy little Amazon silicone looking. Oh, it's artful. Each one is handmade, and it came in really nice packaging like this. Oh my gosh. Oh my, okay. They're all the same, but I'm just opening I bought 5 of them. But oh my gosh. You could buy different colors or whatever, but like this one just kept popping up. I searched mother of pearl coaster because that's what I wanted. Something like kind of like looking like my Van Cleef jewelry. I don't know, it's so weird, but I like that look. I'm doing my Cut 30 class right now. We're learning about carousels today, and we are challenging ourselves to try something that we've never done before. So I'm really excited about that. I have Jakey here, he's watching a show. Justin is at Liam's basketball practice, and Bob is upstairs sleeping. Ollie's over here, always with me. He likes this scarf, so I let him have it. Hi, Bubba's, you handsome boy. Hi, Bubba's. Look at him. He's so cute. Hi, baby. Hello, friends. We had piano lessons for the boys, and now we're eating at a Korean place. We gotta keep on trying new restaurants. We got edamame. Boys are splitting a little steak and rice. And I got bibimbap. How's it? You like it? Awesome. Hello, friends. How are you? We are going to Costco to switch out my tires. Justin brought my snow tires. You see it? They're gonna switch it out for us because this is what all-terrain or whatever.
These
tires.
are, yeah, all season.
All season tires. But yeah, Justin recommends I always have my snow tires when it snows because it feels like it's got more of a grip. You already know Justin wants to get an inflatable. Yeah, you know what? Because of the tires, yeah, we won't. I don't know if Jacob likes mango or pineapple sauce. I remember he did like one of them, but I forgot which one, so I bought it anyways. And then my big boy Liam loves himself a granola bar, so I got some of that at Costco. Got a bunch of dots, which will be really good. I thought about like snacks that I can also pack in my gift baskets for my neighbors, for the teachers, you know, for all the things. And then this is for the outside of our house, for our delivery friends. I also get them soda and water. I got some Graza. I love this olive oil, honestly, because it's a squeeze bottle. You can just squeeze directly on when you're cooking, but not too much. You know, that's why I like that. Some of this for Justin's contact lenses. We love this popcorn so much. If you know, Justin likes eggs. No, he likes ketchup with a side of eggs. That's what I was hinting at. He loved himself some eggs. Justin got some vitamins. Got my Lumify eye drops because I have had really bad allergies during this time. I take allergy meds every day, but also I need like eye drops because my eyes get red sometimes when I'm just like outside or it's windy. I don't know. So these are fabulous. And then because we're from the Bay Area, in the gift baskets, Ghirardelli chocolates in honor of, you know, being in the Bay Area back in the day. What else? And then we got some batteries, different kinds, because you know when you buy toys for Christmas gifts for your kids, they're gonna always need batteries. So we're set. And also I bought toys for my nephew, so when they open their gifts, we're set. And then, oh my god, did I show you Chicken Little? Oh my god, I got Chicken Little something. Hold on. Chicken Little, I got him a 24-month set. I hope that it still fits him by the time it's Hanukkah and Christmas time. I bought this for Rick as one of his gifts. Sophia's daddy, Rick. So I think it would be great. It's a hand warmer. It's getting cold and I want to get something that people will actually use. And so I thought, oh my gosh, I hope he likes it. He just keeps it in his pocket and stays warm. And he can keep recharging it. And it just looks so good. It's for hiking, sports events, hunting, camping, it says. I thought it was a manly gift. I also got him a sweater from True Classics. That just came too. And then the last, oh no, I got a few more things. This is the best deal I ever found at Costco. For 4 of these, literally 4 of these cute sweater looking, I wish I bought 8. Like I wish I bought 2 of this. Because for 4 of these, with the snacks inside, guess how much? $20. Are you for real? Like, are you so for real? Like, I cannot believe it was like $20. And then we got some gum. And then we got some Duluth Coffee Company. Because Duluth is like up north of Minnesota. North, yeah. And everyone says Duluth is really beautiful. And you should go visit in the fall. We haven't visited. But we will one day. But I don't know. Justin was like, let's try the Duluth coffee. I was like, sure. Why not? Anyways, let me put this away now. And hopefully I got the right sauce. I'm so excited. I'll update you. Jakey was so excited when he saw it in the fridge. So it's pineapple, not the mango.
Yeah, it's pineapple.
Because we tried the mango and you said it tasted kind of weird. Okay, I remember now. Pineapple.
Look at that yummy dinner. Let's go.